Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss atoms and molecules. You can see this is small ant hill in which ants are taking this small particles of sand, and these small particles of sands are made up of large number of small particles are called atoms, and these atoms are further made up of three types of particles. They are called electrons, protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and together protons and neutrons are called nucleons. Protons are positive charge, neutrons have no charge. And together protons and neutrons are called nucleons, and electrons are having negatively charged and they are surrounding the nucleus. And in an atom there are same number of electrons and that there are same number of protons inside the nucleus of the atom. So together the atom becomes neutral in the nature. And there are shells around the nucleus and atom given by a scientist named Neil Bohr. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the particular shells. They are also called orbits. Just like in the solar system, center is the sun and planets are revolving around the sun. So electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the fixed paths, and these fixed paths are known as shells or orbits, and these are given as name K, L, M and N. An atomic shell formula of the structure is given by the formula 2n square. This is the number of electrons present in the each shell. In the K shell, the number of electron is 2. In the L shell, number of electron is the 8, and in M shell, number of electron is the 18, etc., etc. Then in the atom, the outer shell electrons are called valence electron, and outer shell is also known as valence shell. Then molecules. When two or more atoms combine with each other, then the structure formed is called molecules, and these atoms join together each by the external forces like heat and light to form a bond with each other. These bonds can be formed by gaining of electron or can be formed by losing of electron. Just like in the case of two parts of wax, when they are heated together and they are joined together due to the heat, similarly bonds are formed due to heat and light. So there are two types of bond, covalent bond and electrovalent bond. And the similar atoms join to form homoatomic molecules, and the different atoms join to form heteroatomic molecules. And that's all for you. Thank you for today.